Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Ekya by Sejal Star Home located in Malad, Marve Road, Adarsh Nagar, NX, Malad West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right at the sales office. And in this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.25 acres that will have one high-rise tower with one basement, ground, plus one level of commercial, plus 9 podium, plus 44 residential floors, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences. And now, before talking about the location and connectivity, I would like to tell you that we are standing at the actual location right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project where the tower will be constructed. And this over here is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Marve Road near Aspi Auditorium, Malad West, from where Malad railway station is only at a distance of 5 minutes, Mid Chowki metro station is only at a distance of 10 minutes, and West Express Highway is only at a distance of 15 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities with indoor games, garden, jogging track, senior citizen zone, mini golf course, swimming pool and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configuration and carpet area, as said, this project has 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK residences with 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1398 square feet, 4 BHK in the carpet area of 2055 and 2084 square feet and 5 BHK in the carpet area of 2777 square feet. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. We'll also show you the 3D model and the actual location, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. Also, they have CLP payment plan. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Ekya by Sejal Star Home located in Malad, Marve Road, Adarsh Nagar, NX, Malad West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.